file, that is set css by class.html inside chapter 1 jQuery basics folder. I have here HTML boilerplate code, the title, loading jQuery library in script tag, and then in next script tag I am simply selecting document and then calling upon a ready function with callback parameter function. Going to have the same div as we have taken earlier in the examples and provide bunch of inline CSS properties. I mean width is equal to 400 pixel and height is equal to 40 pixel, and maybe background color again that is like 1. What do I want this time is to select this div for same functionalities. I mean if somebody is clicking on this div, the background color of this div must be changed from aqua to red. So let's select this div in this document.ready function, but this time not by id, instead by a class. So I'm going to assign this div a class, that is div click. I'm gonna copy this class name from here. Sorry, no dot is required here. So div click, Control C, and then here I want to select div first for click event handler. So I'm gonna have here dot, because in jQuery class is selected by dot and then name of the class. So div click. So here inside document.ready function I'm selecting this div by using this class name div click. But remember, as I have told you earlier, class selector in jQuery needs a dot operator. So $dot div click here. Then I'm going to assign this div a click event handler function, and this click event handler function will further select this div once again with the same class selector, that is div click, and then call the CSS function with same background color CSS property set as red. So if somebody clicks this div click event handler will be called, and then this div's CSS property will simply set the background color as red. So let's go ahead and check it in a regular browser. So initially this div is like this. Click this, the color must be changed from aqua to red, and that's done.